Hey fluffy girls, today's video I am going to be showing you how I get my nails slayed at home for $5. Y'all know I am all about balling on a budget, and I do not pay to get my nails done or my toes done. Y'all, I do it right at the house. No acrylic, just glue. These nails will last me for about 2 weeks. So if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you like and comment. Let's get right into this video. So today I am going to be giving y'all life with these nails, honey. Yes, baddie on a budget. These nails were $5. Let me show y'all the brand real quick. So the brand that I really love using is Goldfinger. You can find these on Amazon. I will leave these nails linked down below. They do have other colors you can try out if you want to. I really do love these nails. Now at my local beauty supply store, they are only $5, so I always get them from my beauty supply store. So check your local beauty supply store. So I really love these nails because they already come with polish on them, so you don't have to polish these at all. This is the Kiss Mega Hold Pink Nail Glue. Trust me, once you use this glue, you will be hooked. Make sure you get the Mega Hold Pink Nail Glue, not the regular nail glue, because that one doesn't work. This is the only one that I have found that actually works. You also will need a nail file and then also an old makeup brush. So I just take the fake nails and I just match them up with my real nails to see if they will fit or not. So these are the matches that I got. So pretty much the only thing I do is just match it up to my real nail and see if it will fit or not. You don't want it to be too big, because if it's too big then it will just fall right on off, and you don't want it to be too small. You want it to be just right. They do have numbers. I don't know if y'all can see, but they do have numbers on the back of them. So if you pick out two, then you can just pick out another one for your other hand. So this makes it super quick and super easy. So before we add our fake nails on, we want to prep our real nails. So for this step, we are just going to clean our nails and just make sure there's no dirt or anything under our nails. And then also we are going to push back our cuticle as such, and we are just going to get all of the dead skin out. This will just help the nails look more natural, and it will look like it's coming out of your actual nail bed. So for the next step, we are just going to take a nail file, and this is a brush. I only use this brush on my nails. This was an old makeup brush I had, which I never used, so now I use it for my nails. So if your nails are on the long side, you definitely want to file them down because you don't want them too long. But I've already done this step off camera. Take my nail file on the top of the nail, and then I am just going to file the top of the nail. This is just going to help the glue stick onto your natural nail, because you don't want your nail to be oily, because the glue will not stick, and this will help your fake nails last longer. So after you file your nails down, you just want to sweep off all of that white stuff. This is their pink nail glue. This is the only nail glue that I have come across that actually lasts. If you use the regular Kiss glue, your nails will fall off within a day or two, but this Mega Hold will last for 2 to 3 weeks. So I am just placing some nail glue on my real nail, and I do like to spread it around a little bit, but I like it to be even. So now I'm going to take the fake nail, I'm going to push it into my cuticle and then press down, and I am just going to hold it for maybe like 5 to 10 seconds. So if you place too much glue on your nail, no need to worry. All you have to do is just wipe it off with a towel. Do not use a cotton ball. Do not use paper towels. Only use a towel. You can use an old shirt or whatever you would like, but do not use cotton balls. Whenever you place your fake nail onto your real nail, you want to make sure that it is straight. So after I place the nails on, normally I will go in with lotion because your hands can get very, very ashy. But I really do love these gold finger nails because you don't have to paint them. You don't have to do anything to them. Now, I did mess up on one nail. I don't know if y'all can see it because these are matte nails. But yeah, I think they came out really, really nice. I'm about to put some lotion on because your girl cannot be ashy. But yeah, super cute. So this is the finished product. I think the nails came out really, really cute. I will leave these nails linked down below. I always get them from my local beauty supply store, but they do sell these on Amazon. So I will leave them linked down below. Also, I will leave everything else linked down below as well. Y'all, we balling on a budget. $5.